Section 2.3.8, the following data represents the ages of award winners for Best Actor and Best Actress in a leading role for the 20 years from 1985 to 2004. We're going to answer parts A and B below. So in this list on the left side we have Best Actor ages, on the right side we have Best Actress ages. Now for part A we want to construct an ordered back-to-back stem and leaf display. Now a back-to-back stem and leaf plot is constructed the same way as a regular stem and leaf plot with the following exceptions. You're going to draw vertical lines in both sides of the stems. You're going to write each leaf corresponding to the stems of one data set to the left of the stems in ascending order out from the stems, and then write each leaf corresponding to the stems of the other data set to the right of the stems in ascending order out from the stems. Now for the data that's given, the stem will consist of the tens place, and the leaf will consist of the ones place. The values that make up the stems are shown below. So you can see here that the tens place goes from 2 all the way to 7 in both of our data sets. So we're going to write the stems in a vertical column in increasing order and draw vertical lines on both sides of the stems. And the leaves on one side of the stems will represent one data set, and the leaves on the other side will represent the other data set. So here are our numbers. So we have 2 to 7, and then we have our two lines, and on the left side we have the Best Actor age. On the right side we have the Best Actress age. So on the left side, we're going to fill in the leaves for the first data set called the Best Actor ages. So the leaves should be in ascending order outward from the stem. So if we put it in ascending order, we go from 26 all the way up to 61. So write the leaves corresponding to each stem for the first data set. So here we have 2, and then to the left is going to be 6. And then for 3 we have 31, then 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 8. And for 4 we have 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And then for 5, we have 0, 1, 3, 4. And then for 6, we have 1, 1. And then for 7, we don't have any for the Best Actor age. Okay, next we're going to fill in the leaves for the second data set, which is Best Actress ages. So the leaves should be in ascending order outward from the stem. So to make this easier, again, first sort the data in ascending order. So we're going from 20 to 71. So for the 2s, we have 20. So we have 0, 1, 5, 5, 5, 9. And then for 3, we have 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 7, 7, 9. 4, we have 0, 3, and 5. For 5, we have 1. For 6, we have 2. And then for 7, we have 1. So that completes our back-to-back stem and leaf display. Now for part B, it says compare the two populations. What can you conclude from the back-to-back stem and leaf display? Well, you're going to use the back-to-back stem and leaf display above and note how the leaves are distributed for each gender, and then make a comparison of those two distributions.